Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In numpy, you can create an array filled with a single value using the numpy.full function. This function allows you to specify the shape of the array and the value that you want to fill it with. Here's a detailed tutorial on how to do this. Step 1. Install numpy. If you haven't already installed numpy, you can do so using pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run. Step 2. Import numpy. Before you can use numpy, you need to import it into your Python script or interactive environment. Step 3. Create an array with a single value. To create an array filled with a specific value, you can use the numpy.full function. The syntax is as follows. Shape, this is a tuple that defines the dimensions of the array, example rows, columns. Fill_value, this is the value you want to fill the array with. Type, this is optional and allows you to specify the data type of the array. Example code. Here's an example of how to create a 2D array, 3 rows and 4 columns, filled with the value 7. Output. When you run the above code, the output will be. This output shows a 2D array where every element is the value 7. Additional examples. 1D array * creating a 1D array of 5 elements all filled with 3.5. Output *. 2-3D array * creating a 3D array of shape, 2, 3, 4, filled with the value 1. Output *. Conclusion. Using numpy.full is an efficient way to create arrays filled with a specific value in numpy. It's particularly useful when initializing arrays for computation where a default value is needed. You can create arrays of any shape and size, and you can specify the data type if necessary. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and fill values to see how numpy behaves.